Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Abdulwahab. Okay, in this video I want to quickly show you and advise you for you to actually start selling digital products. All right, so you can be in any country, you can be in Nigeria, you can be in Ghana, you can be in Kenya, you can be in any of this country or any country you are at all and still be selling digital products. Okay, you can actually be selling it internationally. All right, so if you can actually see, this is Warrior Plus and you can actually start this right now. Okay, so all you just need to do is for you to actually understand that you need to actually put in the work. All right, there's no free money on the internet. You need to work and have the money. If you can actually see right here, these are the digital products I'm selling here, and if you can actually see the date, this is 2023, this is November. Okay, all right, and I just made this amount of money here. All right, this is $167 here, and this is 44 that I spending. This 167, I can actually withdraw this money right now, and I'm still going to withdraw in this video for you to actually see. All right, and this is the $44 that I spending right now. Okay, so let's scroll. Let me withdraw this money so that you can actually see. If you actually want to start learning this how to actually be selling in this Order Plus, okay, you can check the description box of this video right now. I'm going to drop a link, okay, to this very course there, okay, that you can actually use to start, right? Okay, so let's continue. Let me make a withdrawal for you to see. I'm going to withdraw this whole $167. Okay, this one is pending. I can't withdraw it now until after some days once it has been cleared. All right. Okay, so let me go straight away and click on this withdrawal right now. Okay. Okay. All right. So once I click on this withdrawal, okay, before that, let me refresh so that you can actually see that this is true and this is not a form of screenshot. I've just refreshed. All right, you can actually see it right now. Okay, and if I click on this summary here, you see that, okay, I've been doing this and this is not just the first time. All right, you can actually see over $1,000 has been withdrawn here, okay, since I started using this account, and I have multiple accounts here. All right, so let's go to this withdraw right now. Click on this withdraw. Once I click on this withdraw, all right, so I'm going to type in all this amount. You can actually see the one that is being cleared, $167. And if you are here, the minimum withdrawal amount is just $10. You can actually see it here. All right, so I'm going to select the account. I'm also going to type this 167 here. All right, okay, so let me type this 167.06. Okay, I'm going to withdraw. The next thing for me to do is for me to actually select my payment method. If you want to use PayPal, you can actually use PayPal. If you want to use Payoneer, you can use Payoneer. If you have any USD account, you can actually use. I'm going to click on this area to select my USD account. All right, you can actually see I have USD account here. Okay, this is my Payoneer account, and this is another account here. I'm going to select this second one. All right, that is the account I want to use. So the next thing for me to do right now is to hit on this withdrawal. All right, you can actually see this withdrawal, withdraw funds. Okay, I'm going to hit on this withdraw funds. Let's take a look at it. It will ask me, do I want to withdraw to this very bank account? I'll click on this confirm. Once I click on confirm, okay, so let's watch it. You can actually see I'm going to receive this money in what 3 business days. Okay, so let me click on this area here. All right, so you can see, let's see if the money is still there again. All right, you can actually see the money is no longer there. It's now 0, and I have the 44 that is still pending. Now if you take a look at it, it has been initiated. This is a request. All right, so in the next 2 days I'm going to receive this money right inside my bank account. Okay, and once I receive this money in my bank account, I'm also going to reach out to you, okay, so that you can actually see how I'm going to sell it at black market rate, okay, so that you can actually enjoy this fun, right? So you can also be doing it like this. All you need to do is to check the description box of this video right now and start this journey. You need to put in the work if you are serious about it, okay? Or if you know you are not serious, don't even go near the link. All right, okay, so thank you very much. I remain Abdulwahab. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, so that once I drop the next video on how you can actually withdraw fund at black market rate, you will be notified immediately. All right, okay, so see you at the top.